Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? Okay children. What we are going to make in our activity class today? Yes, house. Look, these house, this paper house. We are going to make this paper house today. For this activity, you need a square paper, right? A square paper, and what you're going to do to draw a line from the center of the paper. Okay, and now fold this upper portion of the paper till the center half. Lower portion of the paper till the center half. Make a crease here. Then flip your paper and again draw a line from the center, and then then turn this right side of the paper till the center half, and then do the same with the left side of this paper, right? Okay, now then pull upper right corner and make a triangle, right? Beautiful triangle, and press it, and do the same with the left side of this paper, right? Now take a scotch tape, join these two portions of the paper. Okay, now flip it again. Your house is ready. Now it's time to decorate. And you can look, this is color pencil design, and this one is marker. You can use marker also. And then from the back, you open your this paper, open from the back, and you can place it here. You try to make this activity at home.